home. Brought to you by RE/MAX Diamond Realty.
Gina's in the studio, and we are talking about shopping around and making sure that you get the very best deal when you are trying to own your home. Gina, half a day?
Half a day.
Okay, so we've been talking about the past couple of weeks about securing financing for your home, the paperwork you have to go through, how you talk to the bank, how you get all your ducks in a row. But most people would say, either in consumer circles or even in medicine, like most doctors would say, you know, get a second opinion, you know, see what's out there, shop around and everything. Why is that so important for real estate?
For real estate and for financing in particular, because having the money to go buy the property is the most important thing you need to think about before you go out shopping. And that's actually, anytime you go out shopping, you need to know, number one, how much you have available to you to spend. Now, the reason it's important to shop around is because of your particular needs. Not every bank can offer you a program that would cover those needs. And if you're price shopping, so we talked a little bit about VA loans when we were at Bank of Hawaii, you know, previously, and they offer, you know, they talked about their program, what they're able to cover, what they can offer a consumer. But like any product, different banks offer different products, or they offer the same product, but they charge different fees, or their qualifications are a little different. So depending on the customer, what I like to do with my customers is I ask them a lot of questions, and I'm not asking these questions to be intrusive. I'm asking so I can identify which lender has that right product for you, and so that I can send you there. And sometimes it's about, well, what have you been able to save up? Because depending on how much money you've been able to save up, so that you can, remember, when you go get a mortgage loan to buy a house, you have to pay for that loan. They're not just giving it to you because you qualify. You're buying the product from them.
Right.
So the cost is important.
Now, if I was a smart man, and I am not, I would try and analogize and just say, well, thank you. You lie like a rug. I would try and liken this to car ownership, right? And when you shop around, if you're trying to get like a new car or a truck or a van or what have you, certain dealers will have like sales. At certain times, they'll have like marketing events or something like that. They're like, you know, act now, or for the next 30 days, we have something like that. Do banks have those kind of like promotions too? And you know, how can I best capitalize on the timing of it all?
You know, that's a great way to put it, because you're right. They're all selling vehicles, and you're absolutely right. One's going to fit you based on budget.
Can I stumble across a really good deal based on time of year or whatever?
Maybe not so much type of year, but the particular product that they're offering. You're going to get different products. Not all banks offer the same type of mortgages. So that's why it's important for you to go and shop around. So that's one thing, is they're not giving you, it's a mortgage, yes, but what does that mortgage, what are the qualifications for that mortgage, and what does that mortgage cover? So there's different types of loans. For instance, one of the big questions I've been getting is from first-time home buyers. They're looking for a first-time home buyer loan. Well, that type of loan could come in different versions. There's 90% loan for a first-time home buyer. There's 95% for a first-time home buyer. There's 97% and 100%. Not all the banks offer these products. So if you're in that market and you're trying to get the highest, they call it loan to value, of course you're going to have to go out there and shop around. Now, the thing that I tell my buyers is, just remember, if you go to a bank and they don't offer that product, they're not going to say, by the way, we don't offer what you're looking for, but you can go down the street and get it somewhere else. All they can focus on is what they can give you. So it really does benefit a consumer to start off with their realtor and ask their realtor, listen, this is my situation, this is where I'm at, where should I go? And if you're working with the right realtor, they should, number one, be asking you a lot of questions. If they're not asking you a lot of questions, it means they don't have the answer.
And one thing that you have educated myself and all of us watching the show over the years is, when you call your realtor to inquire about this type of knowledge and everything, it's not just a 5-minute phone call on the phone with, like, when you give everybody your phone number at the end of this segment, it's not just, hey, Gina, I've got, like, you know, I make $75,000 a year, I've got 2 kids and everything like that. You know, you're actually going to sit with me and work with me for an extended period of time to figure out exactly what my profile and my financial position is, correct?
So that is absolutely correct. Everybody wants the fast version of everything.
That is why you're everybody's real estate BFF.
Well, you know what? If you want the fast version, don't call a RE/MAX agent. because we're going to give you the right version, not the fast and quick version. Keep in mind, we make money, our time is all we have to invest, right? So if we're willing to invest it into answering your questions and guiding you the right way, take advantage of it.
And you are so much fun to talk to, so I know that consumers out there are certainly going to be happy to do so. So that being said, what is your number so that people can
they can reach me at 687-8885, and they could reach RE/MAX at 479-9532.
And God help you with like what your cell phone bill must be, but it's all for a good cause.
It's worth it.
Yeah,
it is.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, please stay tuned. Give her a call. She's really, really nice to talk to, and she knows her stuff. That should be abundantly clear by now. Sit tight. We're back after this.
Thank you.